know the night won't be the same if you don't leave with me. Ass up, head down, they time you dress down, no I like.
I'm gonna start my vlog here because I am at work, yes, but Pimps and Simps, it's me, LT, and welcome back to another video. So as y'all can see, I do have a new intro. Tell me what y'all think about the new intro in the comments. And I also have a new banner on my my channel. All my hair has just been going through the trials and tribulations. Yeah, there's nothing much that's been going on, guys. I've been like journaling. I'm probably gonna journal here in a couple minutes. I've been really like kind of working on like a rebrand for like my channel. I might like rebrand my like Instagram and stuff. I was looking, it said that 2% of the people that watch my videos are subscribed, so what's going on? Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on your post notifications so you do get notified when I post. I just got off work. Now I'm gonna head home. It's kind of chilly, I'm not gonna lie.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So no one else will do like you do. That's why I don't mind spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world, don't you understand? Love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long.
It's 11:11, make a wish. This is how my twist out turned out. I'm putting in these little things for today. I think it looks super cute. Waiting for Dave to come back. So, but yeah. But then I'm just gonna get ready for work, and then, well, I'm gonna hang out with him for a little bit and then get ready for work. Y'all know when a client texts you and they just be like, yeah, like the work is really good, and it just like it makes your heart feel really good, you know? That's how I'm feeling right now. I just changed my gym after, what is on my face? After like 5 years. It's giving me a new. Anyway, yes. I'm stuck in traffic, running late for work per usual. Hope y'all are doing good. It is my lunch break now, and I'm eating food from Main Dish. Basically Main Dish is a salad restaurant. It's called Main Dish Salad Co. They make wrap salads and they're really, really good. The process of ordering them and stuff like that is super, super simple. Like basically show you guys like how you order the food and stuff like that. It is located on Blue Mountain Road in Texas. Here's what the containers look like. I did a Southwest wrap and I got it in a tomato basil tortilla. So here's a tortilla and this is what's inside the wrap. Doesn't it look super fucking good? So we're about to go to the skate park and oh guys, look at my ears. We're about to go to the skate park and I'm just gonna end the vlog here because yeah, I might show y'all some of the drive, but yes, thank you guys so much for watching. Yeah, and happy new year everyone. This is my first vlog in the new year, so I'm saying it here, but happy new year. Thank you guys and I love you. Bye.